Today I'm headed to the local gun shop to pick up a pistol that I'm going to do some T&E work on. If you want to find out what that pistol is and get my initial impressions, stick around.
Hey, this is Trey that goes tactical.
Hey guys, it's Johnny with PewPewTactical.com.
Hey everybody, this is Jared from Guns and Gadgets, and you're watching CloverTac.
And you're watching CloverTac.
And you're watching my good friend the Tactical Leprechaun, CloverTac.
What's up, crew? We made it to the local gun shop here at Full Mag Sports. Gonna run inside and see what we got. All right, here we are. The box says Walther, so obviously, first of all, big shout out, big thanks to Walther for sending this to us to test out. There is a bit of a twist to this, though. Yes, it is a Walther, but it is the Walther Colt Railgun N22. Check that out. Man, that thing is beautiful, isn't it? Alright, so as far as contents on the box here, looks like we got a speed loader over here, a wrench. It does have a threaded barrel. Got a lock, some paperwork. I don't see an extra magazine, so not altogether thrilled about that. I would think it should at least come with one more. As many rounds as you can put through a 22. I'm a little bit worried about wearing that sucker out. So let's rack this thing back here. Oh man, that slid back wonderful. You know, I've shot these before, many different types of the 1911 22s. And one of the reasons I wanted to play with this one is I haven't been altogether impressed with those other ones. The spring and all really stiff in those, led to all types of reliability issues. According to Walther, this one shouldn't be too terribly picky on ammo. They've kind of fine-tuned some things, not only with the springs, but with the chambering as well. You can see down here we got little notches on the barrel. That's to, of course, take that off, put the adapter on, and have a threaded barrel. So let's get this thing out to the range and put some rounds through it, see what she'll do. Here we are out on the range, going to take the first shots with the Walther built Colt 1911 railgun N22 long rifle. Now, magazine on this thing holds 12 rounds. Going to start out with some CCI mini mags, see how those do. And if it shoots anywhere near as nice as that slide feels, we're going to be doing good. Let's do this. So I'm not really sure why the slide did not lock back on the last round. Gonna load another mag, gonna change ammo, try another ammo in this and see what happens. As far as accuracy, we're about 10 yards out. We're cutting a hole in the berm really nice. So I don't think accuracy is gonna be a problem. Obviously it cycled well. It felt really good in the hands. The trigger and the reset are what you expect from something with a Walther. So let's load the magazine up with a different ammunition and try her again. A little bit of wind out here today. Hopefully that is not that big of a problem. Got the next magazine loaded up. This is going to be Federal Auto Match. We're going to see just how it works. So obviously we cycled really well, but again, the Slide's not locking back on that last round, so it's got me wondering, are we dealing with ammo there, or is that just a feature that's lacking on this? I'm going to have to dig a little deeper and find that out. So there you go, crew. The first impression on this little Walther built COLT 1911 railgun in 22 is, need to play with it a little bit more. Couple of the drawbacks: slide's not locking back. Didn't come with any type of extra mag. Don't know that I like that. But on the perk side, the slide, very light, functioning great. Cycling ammo, great. Seems to be very accurate. I think we're going to have a lot of fun with it. So big shout out and thanks again to Walther for sending me this little pistol to play with. Really do appreciate it. And huge thanks to the guys here at Full Mag Sports, the local gun shop, who of course facilitated the transfer and let me use the range today to give you an initial impression. That's it for this video. Till next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.